Hello everyone, welcome back to the Xiaomi Theme Hub YouTube channel. As usual, today, I'll be bringing you some beautiful Chinese themes designed for international Xiaomi devices. A theme with a clock widget that changes when tapped, accompanied by apps featuring dynamic exit animations. The app icon pack is designed with simplicity, yet remains visually appealing. The control center features two main colors, black and white, and it supports Hyperos 2.2. On the lock screen, double tapping will activate the always-on display mode. Tap the short bar beneath the clock to switch clock styles. This theme supports the function of changing the lock screen wallpaper. Open the Themes app and go to the Theme Customization section to change the lock screen wallpaper. No matter which wallpaper is used, double tapping on the lock screen will activate the always-on display mode. For devices running the Chinese ROM, you can search the theme name shown in the video to install it directly without needing a backup file. Now, let's move on to the second theme in today's collection. This one features an iOS 26 style and will have a transparent dock at the bottom. The icon pack follows the iOS style, and when you enter the Settings app, the interface is also divided into separate sections like this. Inside the Settings app, when navigating through multiple settings pages, a back button will appear on the top left, allowing you to return step by step. The control center has a beautiful transparent effect. To get a large clock widget like this, you'll need to install it separately. You can refer back to the previous video I made about this large clock widget. Similar to the previous theme, this theme also supports changing the lock screen wallpaper. To do this, we will also go into the Theme Customization section and select our own image for the lock screen. To return to the theme's default image, simply turn off the switch at the top. Just like the first theme, you can also install this theme directly on devices running the Chinese ROM. Now, let's move on to the third theme. This one features a customizable lock screen with vibrant colors and eye-catching design. The toggle switches below allow you to change or enable or disable widgets as you like. No matter which color you choose, you'll still have a transparent effect clock displayed on the lock screen. We'll also have an app icon pack inspired by iOS, but with a different style compared to the previous theme. Inside the Settings app, the interface is also color-coded and divided into sections, making it easier for us to navigate and find features. Although this theme allows for various color changes on the lock screen, it unfortunately does not support setting a personalized wallpaper. This is quite a pity. This entire theme will be included in a backup file linked in the video description. For Xiaomi global devices, you can download it and restore it to your device. Thank you for watching the video. Goodbye and see you in the next videos.